Today we're adding to our kitchen arsenal and testing out a 12-inch pizza maker from Cachoo. It's super easy to use, it's really versatile, and it comes shipped to your door, ready for you to get your cook on too. Inside the box, you have your instructions, and then your pizza maker. The pizza maker has a 30-minute timer on the front. No buttons or anything, making it really simple to use. The inside has a non-stick surface. It makes cooking easy as can be. The first thing that we made was a Mexican pizza. We melted some butter on it for good measure, then spread out the pizza dough directly onto the maker. We put in our sauce, cheese, taco meat, and then diced jalapenos, green peppers, and onions. Then turn on the timer. We weren't sure how long to cook it for, so we just turned the timer to the max 30 minutes and pulled it out when we were happy. And when we pulled out the pizza, it came out without sticking and very minimal mess to clean up. The pizza came out great too. It turned into a deep dish with a nice thin crust and garlic-like breadsticks around it. We ate it all and it was delicious. You can cook more than just pizza on this too. The next night, I made mini quesadillas, and these came out even better. The tortillas had a perfect texture, and the cheese was melted all the way through. They were so good. But the coolest feature in my opinion is that you can open the pizza maker all the way by lifting it up a bit and then laying it down. This will give you two cooking surfaces. So I also use this to cook breakfast. I cook sausage on one side and fried up veggies and eggs on the other. So far, I've been loving cooking with this. It's been so easy to use. And after testing it for a bit, I think it's going to be perfect to bring with me when I go camping. I can plug it into my portable generator and use this on the go. So if you're looking for a fun new way to cook and make some good food as well, this pizza maker might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go plan my next dinner. See ya.